Hi everyone, it's Steve from Smart PE and thanks for joining me again today. We're going to be looking at the protocol associated with the vertical jump test. Now this test measures power and the protocol requires the athlete to stand with both feet on the ground next to a wall, and they're going to reach as high as they possibly can with one hand and then make a mark on the wall or their vertical jump test board. Now normally the people doing this test put chalk on their fingertips in order to make a mark on the wall and leave a clear indication as to how high they've touched. So once they've done the standing height, they're then going to jump as high as they possibly can from a standing position, and they're going to make a second mark on the wall. They're then going to calculate the difference between their jump height and their standing height, and that will then give them their final score. So once they have their final score, they're then able to compare that to normative data in order to get their rating for power. So what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to look at the question at the bottom of the page, and I'd like you to see if you can work out what Rochelle's rating is for power based on her vertical jump test score. So I'd like you to pause the video in a second, and don't forget to make sure that you highlight any relevant information that you think is in the question or within the normative data table to make sure that you can select the correct rating for Rochelle's vertical jump test score. So pause your video now, please. Okay, so Rochelle scored 52 centimetres, and that fell in the above average range because that fell between 51 centimetres and 60 centimetres. So scan another QR code if you'd like to find out about another fitness test.